Namami Ramam Raghuvanshanatham. I'm here to show you the life cycle of birds. And this video is made for those who love the birds. Birds are the blessings of God. They are the innocent animals and they live in the forests or in natural places where water and supply is maintained. They depend upon rain, they depend upon trees. They are the beauty of our country, they are the beauty of the nature. We should love these animals, these birds, and these are spotted storks. You may see all these birds in Bharatpur Sanctuary, which is situated in Rajasthan. A very beautiful place where you should go and you will enjoy a lot of things there. You will see how birds live, how they love their kids, how they reproduce young ones, and how they do the huntings. These birds are loved by those people of Rajasthan very much, and you are watching a pair of stork, a single stork, a stork who is in the water. These birds are found everywhere, but they are frequently found in Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, Rajasthan, which is now known as Keoldev, Keoldev Park. You must have to visit that place and you should recognize and enjoy the innocent animals of the nature. As earlier I have said, that this video is for who love birds. Now you are seeing birds in the water waiting for the fishes who will come and will be eaten by these storks. Bharatpur Sanctuary is in Rajasthan, but now it is known as Keoldev National Park. Now it is known as Keoldev National Park. You may visit and you should visit. This is a very beautiful place where the different birds of the world you may see. You may see how these birds live in a society free from tension, anxiety, and they will snatch your tension. This is the bird of Bharatpur Sanctuary, Bird Sanctuary. It is kingfisher. You see how beautiful is it? How does it look? It looks very much beautiful. And this bird is thinking about itself. How can I survive? Where is my friends? How can I play with them? These birds are waiting for you. You must visit that very place, and these are storks, and they are known as spotted storks. They live on the branches of the trees. They eat fishes, and they live in families. And they live in families. They maintain their kids, and they are waiting for your arrival to show their colorful feathers, long neck, and long legs. You should wait. You should visit that very place. There you will go, and you will see all these animals. These are the storks seeing the clouds in the sky, and they are dancing. And they are dancing. You may simply say, how do these birds live in nature, enjoy their lives, enjoy the clouds, enjoy the winds and green fields? Unfortunately, some of the people eat them, and they end the life of these beautiful birds. We should respect them, and we should provide proper environment of their life. We must not kill them. We must not eat them. They have right to live in this world. This is kingfisher, and these are storks in group. They are hunting fishes. You see how do they live in groups, and how do they enjoy their lives. I think you will be painful for them. You will generate love for them, and you will create an environment where these beautiful birds can live. I pray to the government of India to have a bird sanctuary in each and every state of our country, so that the people may take the lesson of love, affection from these birds, and may live happily in their society. These words are giving lessons to our society, how to enjoy the life, how to live. They are the messenger of peace. You may tell these are the messenger of peace, and they give the lesson about peace, their peaceful nature, their peaceful belongings. We should appreciate, and we should take a lesson from their lives, and we should live like that. It is a stork family you are watching in the picture. How kids are on the back of their mummy. Mummy is bearing their kids on the back. They live, and they respect each other. They live in the forest happily, and they have right to live. We must not kill them. We must not hunt them, and we must allow them to live properly. I think you will be happy to see all these pictures. You will allow your kids to learn from these birds. This is picture of a kingfisher who are fishing the fishes. They have fishes in their beaks and they enjoy their lives. You should visit Bharatpur Sanctuary, which is now known as Koldev National Park in a state Rajasthan, and you will enjoy a lot. I think this video has given a cool, peaceful situations in your mind. You will enjoy the birds. You will learn from birds. Okay, thank you.